When it comes to buying the best under-counter refrigerator that will keep your foods and beverages cold and ready to serve and enjoy, freestanding refrigerators are great, yet people are increasingly opting for built-in options due to the convenience offered, as well as the reduced space requirements of a refrigerator that goes under-counter. We've researched and discovered the 8 top-rated under-counter refrigerators, as well as the worst one to avoid. And now for thefreshness.com, reviews of the 8 best under-counter refrigerator, plus the worst one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Kalamera 24-inch beverage refrigerator, 175 can, built-in, freestanding single-zone touch control. First up is the Kalamera 24-inch beverage refrigerator, 175 can, built-in or freestanding single-zone option. This is the best under-counter refrigerator that we found after sifting through and reviewing several different options available on the market. In addition to being a great option for a built-in refrigerator, this product can also be used as a freestanding fridge, providing flexible and convenient usage options. The refrigerator was designed to replace a cabinet when used as a built-in option. The Kalamera 24-inch beverage refrigerator features a compact design, yet provides an adequate internal storage capacity to fit up to 175 cans of beverages, whether you enjoy drinking beer, soda, or perhaps energy drinks. The 6-wire racks can easily be removed to modify the internal space, allowing for the storage of larger products, such as food containers and bottles of wine. The advanced compressor also provides quiet operations compared to many alternative options that make much more noise. A built-in thermostat control panel can be used to set the temperature of the machine between 38 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Coming in at number 2, Avallon 5.5 cubic feet built-in 24-inch refrigerator. If you're looking for the best freestanding under-counter refrigerator with multiple installation options, including the use of the product without necessarily having to replace a cabinet with it, then the Avallon 5.5 cubic feet built-in 24-inch refrigerator is an ideal option you should definitely look at. This product comes with many convenient features, such as the ability to have precise control over the internal temperature of the refrigerator. By using the easy-to-use temperature control unit, you can adjust the temperature from 34 degrees to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The Avallon 5.5 cubic feet built-in 24-inch refrigerator features a handle that is made from stainless steel and silver design, which fits in perfectly with the modern kitchen decor. The LED lights are built into the refrigerator, alternating between 2 colors including white and blue. They make it easy to use the refrigerator at night without necessarily having to switch the lights on. There are 3 shelves on the inside of this refrigerator which can be removed and adjusted based on your needs and the particular items you're storing in the fridge. Coming in at number 3, EdgeStar 5.49 cubic foot 142 can built-in beverage cooler. The best built-in under-counter refrigerator for people who are looking for a product that's not too expensive but still features a high-quality design is the EdgeStar 5.49 cubic feet 142 can built-in beverage cooler. This particular product can be used as a built-in refrigerator, but some people also prefer to use it as a freestanding option, which also looks great. The compact design of the fridge makes it possible to fit into smaller cabinet structures as well as on top of the counter in your kitchen or in your entertainment zone. This EdgeStar beverage cooler can hold as many as 142 cans of beverages. The fact that the shelves are found on the inside can be moved around or removed as you please means the structure of this storage unit can also be adjusted to provide adequate space for large items that you may want to keep cold. The refrigerator also features a reversible door, which is made from a high-quality stainless steel material. Other features include a carbon filter already built into the fridge, as well as a pre-fitted lock and an auto defrost feature. Looking to learn more about the best under-counter refrigerators in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, hOmeLabs Undercounter Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler. Many built-in refrigerators on the market claim to provide a noiseless operation, but they seldom truly deliver on these promises. If you're looking for the quietest under-counter refrigerator, then we highly recommend you consider the hOmeLabs Undercounter Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler. In addition to its exceptionally quiet operation, This particular fridge is also one of the most affordable options in its class that you're going to find available on the market, priced at just over $200 at the majority of retailers that stock this refrigerator. The hOmeLabs Undercounter Beverage Refrigerator and Coolers features a very modern design with slick back exterior features as well as a see-through glass door. On the inside, the manufacturer has fitted a series of blue LED lights that do not only make it easier to see inside to decide what beverage you want to enjoy, but also further adds to the great design and decor offered by this particular refrigerator. With this fridge, you can keep up to 120 cans of your most delicious beverages that you enjoy at the temperature that's already the best to serve. Coming in at number 5, Phiestina built-in dual-zone wine and beverage cooler with stainless steel French door. The Phiestina built-in dual-zone wine and beverage cooler with stainless steel French door is perfect if you're looking for something else as compared to the more traditional designs and features offered by Undercounter refrigerator options. This refrigerator is unique and looks really great. It can be installed underneath your counter in the place of a cupboard, or you can use it on top of your counter instead. It can serve as a freestanding refrigerator in addition to being a built-in Undercounter refrigerator option. This fridge has 2 separate compartments, each with its own thermostat and temperature regulator features. The one side was specifically prepared to keep cans cold, while the other side is designed in a way ideal for keeping wine bottles cold. There's a total of 13 shelves in the refrigerator that can all be removed to customize the space, in case that you want to store larger contents. The product is great for personal use at home and provides an adequate feature for use in an office space as well. Coming in at number 6, Vortex Refrigeration Commercial 3-Door Undercounter Refrigerator. The Vortex Refrigeration Commercial 3-Door Undercounter Refrigerator is a heavy-duty and high-quality product that was designed for commercial settings. The refrigerator comes with 3 separate compartments that can be used for storing beverages, wine, food, and many other items that need to be kept at a cool temperature to make serving them convenient and to prevent the items from spoiling. This refrigerator is made from stainless steel to help protect against rust while also providing a more stylish design. The Undercounter refrigerator features an adjustable control panel that gives you the ability to set the specific internal temperature. The 3 compartments together offer a total of 24 cubic feet storage space, which can pack hundreds of cans as well as many larger items as compared to other Undercounter refrigerators on the market. This particular option does require a larger space when used as a built-in fridge, but also comes with attachable wheels, thus giving you the ability to use this product as a freestanding fridge. Coming in at number 7, EdgeStar 24-inch built-in wine and beverage cooler with French doors. After thorough research and testing, we found the best 24-inch Undercounter refrigerator that's currently available is the EdgeStar CWB1760FD 24-inch built-in wine and beverage cooler with French doors. This particular option also comes with the French door option, which means there are 2 compartments, one for cans and the other for bottles. The built-in shelves that come with the refrigerator are stylish and have wooden features in the front. They can be easily removed to make some space for larger contents. The EdgeStar CWB1760FD 24-inch built-in wine and beverage cooler with French doors features doors that are made with tempered glass. There's a digital touch panel that is used to display the temperature of each compartment as well as to customize the temperature to suit your personal preferences. Special air-cooled technology is used in the fridge, along with a safety lock and legs that can be attached when the product is used as a freestanding fridge instead of built into a cabinet. Coming in at number 8, Avallon 152 can 24-inch built-in beverage cooler. Another great option for those who want a flexible option that can be built into a cabinet or used as a freestanding product is the Avallon 152 can 24-inch built-in beverage cooler. This is a right hinge refrigerator that's made from high quality materials. Both the door and handle attached to the door are both made from stainless steel. This means that the fridge will not start to rust quickly and the steel itself will continue to look great for an extended period of time. The refrigerator also comes with a built-in carbon filter. The Avallon built-in beverage cooler features a 24-inch internal storage unit that can fit approximately 152 soda or beer cans. There are 3 shelves in the fridge that are made from sanded glass, which provides an attractive appearance. The inside of the refrigerator also features 2 lights on each side, providing a way to see inside the glass door without having to open it constantly to decide which soda or beer that you'd like to drink. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite Undercounter refrigerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com Undercounter refrigerator to avoid. Arctic Air Undercounter Refrigerator. After sharing some of the top choices for undercounter fridges that you can make when you decide to buy an undercounter fridge for your space, we're looking at the worst undercounter fridge on the market. After we carefully considered every option that we found, the Arctic Air AUC 48R 48-inch undercounter fridge is definitely one that you should avoid buying. The main negative fact of this particular option is the fact that it is far too expensive considering the lack of features that the refrigerator offers. The Arctic Air AUC4 8R 48-inch undercounter refrigerator is made from stainless steel and provides a 12 cubic feet internal storage compartment. The stainless steel used is not the top choice considering the price of the product. Additionally, the storage space is quite small. Many cheaper options on the market offer much larger compartments for the storage of cans, bottles, containers, and other items. It also seems like this fridge can only operate under one temperature option, which is 41 degrees Fahrenheit. We couldn't find any details on the possibility of adjusting the temperature using a thermostat. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying one of the best undercounter refrigerators. Undercounter refrigerators have become a popular option for people who want to keep wine and beverages cold. These products are built into existing structures in the kitchen and can be integrated with your decor since there are many different styles and designs available. After extensive research, we identified the best undercounter refrigerator options along with the product to avoid. Looking to learn more about the best undercounter refrigerators in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite undercounter refrigerator. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.